Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the world famous Arambol beach. So guys, we are going to go on the beach. We're going to take a walk on the beach. I'm going to show you what's open, the shacks, the restaurants, whatever is open here guys. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so we are starting off here at the main market area of Arambol, and as you can see here, all the shops are open. You'll find some really unique items here in Arambol compared to any of the other markets. And here you have this really cool music shop which is here, so you get music if you want to get hula hoops and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So there's not much people here, but hopefully the beach has a lot of crowd today. So it's around say 4 o'clock, 4:30 right now. So there's a wine store here, Mittal wine store, all these shops. So over here is the Cafe Black Pearl, which is by far one of the most popular ones. You'll all the time see foreigners and stuff here. So that is the Cafe Black Pearl. And as we go down the road here, we are heading towards the beach. This is the store here. So you see 50 rupees for those earrings, any of the earrings 50 rupees. There's another wine store here, and here we are going to 2512 wine store. This is friend's wine store because he opened it on Christmas Day, I think. So here we will find more and more of these unique items. They have like really cool stuff, and yeah guys, really cool stuff here. Leather bags, Ice and Spice wine store, Dark Dot. So this is a body piercing and tattoo studio. So look at these, all leather bags. And here also they have bikes for rent. So if you want to see, like, you can take a screenshot of the number here for bikes for rent on Arambol beach. So here, this is the famous German bakery which is here, and at the German bakery we have now reached the main beach area. So let me go onto the beach, take you on the beach, show you guys what it's like, and this scene here right now at Arambol guys. So these are the stores that are here. You'll get a lot of these bikinis and really cool outfits that are there, and they have a lot of these feathery kind of items. So if you want to get your braiding also done, they do the hair braid for you. So that's something which is very popular to get done on Arambol beach. So let's head on to the beach right now. So it's a nice, bright, hot, sunny day. The first shack here is the Pirates Cabin. The second one is the 21 Coconut Inn. So the 21 Coconut Inn is my friend's shack or restaurant here. So if you've seen my previous vlog of Arambol, before they had these beach chairs and stuff right on the beach, but now they are not allowed to keep them there. So they are all here in this area right now. So it's a beautiful day here in Arambol. A lot more has opened up compared to before. So this is the road towards the Sweetwater Lake. So if you want to go to the Sweetwater Lake, you can go from that side. And as we go down, you will see there's a lot of people. So this area, mostly the foreigners come to this area, but if you go to that area, there is where you will see a lot of our Indian tourists and Indian crowd, because most people don't know that you should come in from this entrance. So this is the main entrance here. If you can see, that's a beautiful day today. We have blue skies here in Goa, and there's a lot of people at the beach right now. Hey, what's up? So yeah, some viewers have asked saying hi. So that's Little Italy. I showed you guys before in a previous vlog, but this is just to give you guys a situation update of what the beach looks like right now. So people are swimming there, so in the distance. So people are allowed to swim, but you cannot go very deep. You can only go in this small area here. So if you go further on, straight away you see the jeep that came in. So they'll come straight up to you and tell you to get out of the water. So let me just show you what else is here. So on the left here is the Goa Surf School. So that is something really cool to learn. Let me just take you guys and show you what it looks like. So the surf school is a really nice place because they teach you how to surf, and we'll just take a little zoom in here. So see, they're training people right now. So the Goa Surf School. So that is something which is a must try when you come to Goa. See, they're training people how to get onto the board and get out of the board. Yeah. See, somebody just shouted my name, Moses. So see, they teach you how to stand on the board, which is pretty cool. So let me show you. Yo, what's up? So see, some of our viewers here, the boys learning today. So see, they teach you how to do the surfing thing. I will put the information. So here they also have a really cool swing. So let me just show you the swing here. So if you want to click some really cool Instagram pictures, then you'll really like it. Of course, you can use the pictures for anything. So really nice to see them learning how to surf here. I'll come and see them in a while. So they are viewers from our channel. So this area here has a lot of people, so which is really cool. This is called the Cheeky Monkey. This is also a nice restaurant to hang out, and over there is like they have this cool area which you can sit on top, and it's like a wooden frame. You can sit there on these mattresses on top or whatever and just relax and have a good time. So as you can see, the beach beds are back here in Arambol, and if you stay, whatever you're eating at the restaurant or whatever, then you can get a beach bed here, drink on the beach and have a really good time. You will see there are people doing their hair braiding here, so which is very cool. So it's good to see there is so much crowd back here. So people are, just to show you guys into perspective how the things are right now in Arambol. So when I had come before, none of these shacks were open, but here they are. And in that area, people are not allowed to put their tables right in front, but in this area you will see all these tables here, and in the night they have these tables, these small tables they are setting up right now. These tables are basically to have candlelight dinner. So if you want to have a candlelight dinner, then you can come and sit at these tables. It's very nice to see them here like that. And then you'll see there are a lot of people here clicking photos, having a great time, and you can actually swim here and like basically wade in the water here, which is pretty cool. And there's a lot of shells and stuff on this part of the area. So here you have the Mango Tree Shack, then you have Sea Breeze, then they have, what is that? Aram Bubble. So what? Okay, how much you charge for the?
For bed we don't charge.
Okay.
We have veg, seafood, non-veg, Indian, Italian.
So okay, you can talk and tell us what you have.
We have everything. We have a shower, changing room.
Okay.
Shower, changing room, and we don't charge for bed.
Okay.
It's free. Okay, and we have Indian, continental. We have South Indian also, and we have Italian, tandoori, seafood.
Okay.
Everything we have. Drinks, whatever you want, cocktails, everything.
How much do beers start from?
It's like 100 rupees per pint.
For Kingfisher beers, 100 rupees per
sir.
pint.
Yes.
Okay, what else is available here? So all the beach beds are basically free of cost when you are eating or drinking at this restaurant. Okay, so this is the Aram Bubble here, so you can check it out. So we also have some viewers who are there here. We'll go and say hi. So guys, it's really nice to come here, have a good time, chill out. So this is a viewer of ours. We'll go and say hi. Hey, what's up? How are you? Good? Yeah. Hey, what's up? So, would you like to be in the video? Yeah? We'll ask you some questions. Okay. Okay, guys. So, these are some of our viewers here. Okay, what's your name?
Jahnavi.
Jahnavi. Okay. Where you guys came from?
We came from Guwahati, Assam.
So, you all came from Assam. Wow. Okay. So, how you been enjoying Goa so far?
Well, it's very, very interesting and it's very, very great because this is the first time that we have come after this lockdown and I'm traveling after 2 years. So it's really amazing experience for me because I am here doing the festival and today I have come for the first time to this Arambol beach and it's really, really amazing.
So, how many videos of mine have you seen?
I have seen a lot of your videos. Before coming, actually, we check your videos so that we can know about the updated scene in Goa. And thanks to you, we knew that this is all happening, and we are like very happy that we came.
Okay. So, what was the best thing that you've seen here in Goa so far?
So far, everything is good. Like the festival, the beaches.
Which festival did you go to?
We went to the Crank Festival.
Okay, wow. Okay. So, how many days?
We are going to the Girls Gone Wild.
Okay, Girls Gone Wild. Okay, so all my friends are there right now. So, that's cool. Yeah, so how long you going to stay here?
We'll be like for 2 days more. Just short trip.
So really cool meeting our viewers here. So yeah, guys, that's it from here. Okay, so we got some chilled beer here. Cheers, guys. Yeah, so cheers. Wait, yeah. Thank you. So yeah, nice chilled beer on a nice hot day here in Goa. And yeah, guys, so I will continue and I'll show you guys a little bit more after my chilled beer here. Okay, guys, so right now it's around 6 o'clock in the evening and the whole situation is completely different now. Right now, as you can see, it is so beautiful. Look at the sky. The tide has just gone down and it is so stunning right now. So let me just take you around. Let me walk on the beach. As you can see, there is a lot of people that are on the beach right now, and especially in that area, the beach is completely full. That side, there's a lot of people. Okay, but this part is really nice. So when the tide goes down, you will see like there are little pools of water which are here, which looks so beautiful, right? I mean, today is so amazing. I don't know what to say. But look at the sky. It's like, wow. So this is the main Arambol beach. And now once the tide goes down, people can swim a little more here. So you can go into the water. Let me just zoom in a bit and show you guys. So as you can see, there are people swimming here. There is a lifeguard at all times, which is here. So the moment anything happens, they will take care of you. But please don't get drunk and go into the water. So look at the sky, look at the view today. So Arambol is so beautiful today. We're going to take a little 360 view around. So I'm just sitting with a couple of our viewers here and having a really good time. We're having a couple of beers. And guys, I have a driver, so yeah. So yeah, we are sitting with a couple of viewers and the view is absolutely incredible here today. So yeah, look at the sunset today. So beautiful, right? So yeah, as you can see in the distance, there is so many people, and as I keep on saying, I'm really sorry, but now Arambol is completely back to normal. So in the distance there we have Lotus Sutra, we have another beautiful shack kind of place. It's not a shack really, it's a restaurant, but it's amazing. We are right now at the Aram Bubble, which is really nice. So they apparently have really good food. So I was talking to a lot of the viewers who are sitting at the shack and they told me that the food is really good and they have really nice pasta and stuff like that. So people are playing football on the beach, and Arambol just has this beautiful vibe to it, doesn't it? So these are a little few more of our viewers that are here. They're clicking pictures and having a good time. So guys, I'm just going to take a little walk more. I'm going to show you. So I'm just walking in these puddles here just because it's so nice. Splash around. And as we go further down, we will see a lot of people that are there here. It's really nice to also see the boats. There are the fishing boats, and a little earlier the fishing boats went out, and there are a lot of fishing boats in this area here which go out. And also there are quite a lot of foreigners here right now which are at the beach. So let me just show you. So there are quite a few foreigners here. Of course, these are the foreigners that live here, which are permanent residents of Goa probably. So you will see a lot of foreigners in Arambol compared to any other place. Of course, international travel is going to set open up really soon. You'll really see a lot of people taking reels and videos here, which is really nice. And let me just show you there in the distance the amount of people. Okay, so you can click some really amazing pictures, because here you can click like the reflection of the sky with the water. And there are many more shacks in the distance that are open up in the distance there, so you can go to those ones as well. And yeah guys, just to show you what a beautiful day here in Goa. And wow, look at the sunset, incredible. So let's head back. We're going to chill out with our subscribers, have a good time, and just enjoy the view. So yeah, they're taking some reels here, which is really cool. So yeah guys, if you come to Goa right now, you're going to have an incredible time, especially because the sky is so beautiful at this time of the year, which makes it so dramatic. And of course, as you can see, the crowds and everything is back to normal here. And in the distance there you have the famous Arambol rocks, which are there guys. So we have people clicking their pictures, enjoying life. Okay, so probably I'll see a lot of you guys here in the next video when I come back, because Arambol is so happening and there's a lot of music going on right now. So it's mostly like trance music that goes on here. Okay guys, so I had to show you this. This is like the most dramatic sunset that we have here in Arambol. So I'm just going to go to the beach and show you guys this sunset. It is so beautiful today. I don't even know how to explain how beautiful it is. Like, wow, look at that. How stunning is it? So if you see here, they have taken off all of the beach, the umbrellas that were here, and the scene is absolutely incredible here right now. It is so beautiful. Look at the sunset. Wow. So look at the sunset. It's so beautiful. Wow. I don't know what to say. Sorry. I'm so I'm so amazed with how beautiful it is right now. So it's really nice to see the beautiful vibes back here in Goa. And as you can see, the beach is absolutely full. If you see in the distance there, it's like so completely full that side. So in videos people look small, so you can't really make out how many people are there here right now, but it is so full that side. So there's hundreds and hundreds of people, and this is what the vibe is like right now here in Arambol. And so let me just take you around, show you the scene of how many people are there in the distance as well, just to show you the scenes of this amazing place here. So definitely Arambol is like on one of my top recommended lists of things to do in Goa, because the vibe here is completely different from anywhere else in Goa, and I really love it here. So, and right now I am at this shack, which is called as I told you guys before, so which is the Aram Bubble. I don't know where it is, but yeah. So yeah, an amazing sunset, amazing vibes here in Goa. Definitely you guys have to come and check out this incredible scene here in Goa. So I just changed the settings to show you guys what it's like and what it feels like here. So guys, the sun has just set, just to show you guys how dramatic it is here right now at the end of the day. So we are right now at the rocks here, which is the main Arambol rocks at the end of the evening, and as you can see, it is so dramatic and beautiful. So let's just zoom in a bit to the sunset. What a beautiful day here in Goa, and I don't know how to explain this, but it's just so beautiful right now. So guys, in the distance you'll be able to see a lot of lights, like small hill lights, and those are all the candlelight dinners that are lit up here in Arambol. So that's what it looks like. And of course we have the shops here, so let's head down to the shops and let me just show you. So here we have the like this place which they sell all these different kinds of so see, he's playing his music here, so they have a music store here, so you can check it out. So yeah, so you can play, like, you know, buy some beautiful musical instruments. There's a tattoo studio here, and of course there is some shopping. As we go down, you'll see all the shops that are here. So Arambol of course is popular for foreigners, so there's a lot of foreigners here right now, and of course you'll find a lot of interesting stuff to buy here. So you can buy all these bong pipes and things like that. You can buy bongs, hookahs. If you want to get hair braid, you can get hair braids here. So this is the Arambol market kind of. This is the road to the Sweetwater Lake. So there on the right is the, it's going to be a little dark right now, but this is the road that goes to the Arambol market. So let's go. Okay guys, so I skipped a little ahead and I'm just going to show you, like, there's a shop here which has all these beautiful earrings and stuff, and you have all these beautiful like dream catchers. You have all these small shops here. There's things where you can buy for 100 rupees here, and you have all these Indian, like dresses and stuff. I thought they were Indian wear, but they're not. But it's really beautiful here. So there's a supermarket here, and as we go up ahead, you will see there are a few little shops that are there. So that is the main Arambol beach, and these are a few of the shops that are there on the way, which is going towards the Sweetwater Lake. So we already went there, and I'm just showing you guys what it's like while we go back. So you can see, like, the shops that are available here. So of course it's already late in the evening, but I just wanted to show you guys what the vibe is like here. So this is a popular place to get your dreadlocks and stuff done here. So guys, that is it from here in Arambol. Please do like and subscribe, and I will be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa.